YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. I'm not sure if it's Amazon, and if it's Amazon, my affiliate link will be down below. You click on that, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item, and if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Here we go. Almost there. One more cut. There we go. Ooh. Sofirn. I think this is a flashlight. They do make flashlights, so we shall see. But this is an Amazon, so affiliate link will be down below. Thank you guys for sending me this. Brand new, just came out in the market. And this is a SP31V3. You got the lanyard, so you won't lose it. You can hook it up to your wrist or purse or your travel bag. If you're going out camping in the woods, stargazing, or just for day-to-day use. Remove that. Kind of looks like a lightsaber. Here you go, button. SP. Make sure you twist this cap off because there's a battery blocker that gotta remove it so you can start it. If I could twist. Yeah, there it goes. See this thing? Just take that off. There we go. And USB goes there. Power. Is this dead? Maybe I gotta charge it. Hold on. Alright guys, here we go. Whoa. Super bright. Look at that. Oh. Really nice. You can switch the modes. And a really nice camera. Alright. Yeah, see, USB, you can charge it. And then lantern, you just loop it through. Really easy to do. I'm not going to need it. I'm not going no camping trip, so. But yeah, this is like crazy bright. Make it brighter. Look at that. It's like the solar eclipse. Here. Now. Look at that. That is crazy. Lights up the whole room. Just about. Oh. Don't need to go outside. It is raining outside, so definitely indoors today. And now video is done. So check them out. Links are going to be down below. Get it now. Sofirn. I think that's how you say it. Nice LED flashlight. I gotta do some cleaning. Oh boy. Alright, here we go, YouTubers. You guys be safe. Hopefully see you guys back this week. Until then, take it easy. And it also has this kind of mode. Oh. You gotta hold it for a few. Oh. Let's It's like SOS mode. Oh, that's bright. And normal mode, just hold it. There you go. Like I said, I like this one. Look how bright that is. Awesome stuff. Sofirn. Check them out. Be safe.